In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use mic on Xbox on Roblox and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, voice chat is a feature currently included in Roblox. You will be able to have it enabled if you meet certain criteria, like having your phone number verified if you reside in one of a select few regions, and of course, if you are over a specific age included in the help page for Roblox. With all of that out of the way, you will be able to enable it when you go over to the privacy settings. Now, you will notice that for me, it's not actually available because I haven't verified my phone number on this account, but for you, it might be. Now, another thing that you might be curious about is if it is possible to use the microphone on the Xbox version of Roblox. Let's say you don't play on PC at all and you have never used this feature. Then you go over to your privacy settings and you are indeed able to find it here, so you will enable it. But then once you get in game, inside of the Xbox version of Roblox, what you will notice is that not even text chat is available. And regardless of what you try to do, regardless of which combination of buttons you press, the microphone icon will never appear, even if you have a microphone connected. So as of today, what's the deal with using the microphone on the Xbox release of Roblox? If we go over to the help page, even though they list all of the requirements that I mentioned prior, such as the phone number verified, a specific years of age requirement, and of course these select countries here, they don't mention the platform where this option is available. As of today, voice chat is only available on PC because of limitations according to Sony and Microsoft. The console releases of Roblox do not offer any sort of text or voice chat, which means that as of today, it's impossible to use your mic on Xbox for Roblox. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that because Sony and Microsoft do not allow communication inside of the game itself on the console releases of Roblox, it is impossible to use your mic, even if you are able to use it on PC or you have the privacy settings properly set up. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.